What's up? Alex O Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Coming to you live from Bali. Hope you're doing well. Coming with an update video. It's been a quiet week, but we have gotten underneath that 30,000 mark. Can we retake this? Well, let's take a look at the Bitcoin price. Now you can see that we've dipped down and we were targeting 29,200 here. Now bear with me. I'm streaming here. Only got one monitor, so I can't see myself. So I hope this is getting to you guys well. We got the setup. This is the first time I've set up outside of the house, so hopefully the audio is okay and there's not too many monkeys and crazy birds chirping in the background. But we're making it work, okay? So right now we're up here, failing to get above 30,000. What can we do? We bounced off of this 29,200 zone that we were targeting for a bounce for the Bitcoin price. Now, what I'm going to be looking for here is I'm going to be looking at market Cipher and seeing if we can get acceptance up back into this range. Okay, so we got two volume areas that we want to be watching here. Now, one is the one above here, above 30K, and one here is down below here where we had our first significant bounce. You can see that we have this 29.2 volume spike right here, so we want to be very cautious of that. Now, the weekly is looking to curl over. What does this mean to me? This means that we need to be patient right now. And it's hard to be patient in times of such a sideways boring range, but we need to be, okay? And then also you can see that we're getting the red dot confirmation on the 3-day and the 2-day, and it has played out, okay? So we're looking for this to continue down. Now, can we get a bounce back up to this point of control? Of course we can, and look for a continuation downwards. Now, what's going on with the macro? Well, we're definitely getting a Fed interest rate, or this hike. It's 98%. Like, the proof is in the pudding. We're getting the hike, okay? This is what they're saying. This doesn't mean that markets are going to fall. They've probably already priced this in, so we need to be prepared for that. Now, 2.114% on true inflation, which is still relatively sideways, okay? So with your economic calendar, look over here. We got building permits coming in, but we have this Fed interest rate decision, which will bring volatility to the markets and then further allow people to make decisions on what to do with their investments, okay? Now, one thing I've noticed too is that the Dixie here, the Dixie has gotten below this 100 level. So we need to be very cautious here, and we're looking for this to come up, okay? If the Dixie comes up, Bitcoin goes down, right? It's an inverse relation, so we want to be prepared for a pump here. And then the S&P, brand new all-time highs for this year. And look at this amazing pump up. Can we see it come back down to this range? Okay, you've seen it pump up here, and it's continued to work its way up, and we're looking for it to come down to the bottom of this channel in order to continue its work upwards, okay? Our next key level of major resistance, look at all these wicks over here, okay? So this, we carry this over, we look that 47.45 is going to be our next key level of resistance. So we need to be watching this area very cautiously if we do continue up. We also have some wicks actually right here at 46.37, but we're looking for a rejection off this 45.79, okay? We've pumped a little bit higher than the 4,500, but we want to be watching this for the next coming days, okay? This will be key to determine the price action. Now, XRP has pumped back up. It's back all the way up to 82 cents, which is great. You know, it had this little wick down. People were like, what the heck? This is supposed to be a powerful move. And yes, it's climbed back up. It's still within this range. Look for it to flip this 83 cents to support. If it can get above here and continue its work up, then that will be great for the XRP price. Otherwise, look for a rejection here where price can come back down. Now, with other risk on, with other altcoins, we've seen a little bit of a pump recently. So we can look over at ADA, and we can see that we've moved up. Yes, we've had that massive pump recently, but we want to be watching the alts as well. They're getting a little bit of moves here where, yes, we had that massive move, but it's retraced back down to that trend line and back up. So we're going to watch for a bounce here for a continuation to the upside, right? We're going to look for it to work its way back up. Same with Matic, very similar patterns here, okay? So we're looking for Matic to get a push, and we're looking for Avalanche to get a push as well. So all three of these altcoins I am watching quite closely. And we did get a nice move from Link recently, so you want to watch this possible rejection coming up, head and shoulders pattern. Keep an eye on your alts right now. I know Bitcoin has been a little bit boring. So Bitcoin price. As we walk through the market cipher B here, we can simply see that we're getting this massive sideways capitulation, massive volume. Are they waiting for the ETF? Are they waiting for macro news? Who knows, but we need to be patient here. Now, as this dips down, I will be looking to DCA. So if we do get a move back into this previous range, where we come back into this area right around 28,000, I will be looking to DCA some more. And as it dips, we buy the dips, right? We want to continue to buy the dips. But right now, I do believe we're in the start of a bull run, but it's very, very early days where we're having this boring sideways capitulation that I talked about months ago. So we're looking at this. We're looking at, okay, yes, boring sideways, but there's going to be trades that present themselves. So look to short the highs, long the lows, but right now we're looking for this to curl over and re-enter back into this range. And if it does so, we'll be cooking with some gasoline, okay? So be patient out there. Make sure to pay yourselves if you're in any type of trade. Short-term trades, I'd suggest in and out. Quick, pay yourselves, and make sure to celebrate, okay? So join us in the free Discord. Much love to every single one of you. Thank you, guys. Much love from Bali. I'll be updating you guys in the Discord, keeping you guys updated. So much love to every single one of you. God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.